Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get voice changer on Meta Quest 2, Quest 3 and Quest 3S without PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to get a voice changer on your Meta Quest headset without using a PC, you have to follow a simple method because Quest devices do not have an official built-in voice changer. You need the voice mod key, a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, your phone, and a wired headset. So all you have to do is simply download the voice mode app on your phone. This is a really useful app because it lets you apply different voice filters and effects in real time. And then after that, what you're going to have to do is simply link your phone to your Meta Quest. This is done through the audio input settings, and it allows your Quest to use your phone as the main microphone source. So basically, when you select the microphone, you're going to have to select your phone to use it as a microphone. Once your phone is selected, every sound that goes through the voice mode app will be transferred directly into your headset, and then in the app, you can change your voices. You can switch between different filters, adjust the pitch, or choose fun effects depending on what you want your friends to hear while you're in VR. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get voice changer on Meta Quest 2, Quest 3 and Quest 3S without PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.